Come on in.
Yeah. What's up, y'all? Back from California. We're here in good old-fashioned CT, and we're ready to get back to work on the one and only Stank Hatch. I'm really pumped. This weekend was amazing. Huge shout out to Hyundai and Eliminate for showing us a great time this weekend. It was amazing. We'll be back soon. I promise. But so last time you guys saw this car, we spent the time and we washed it inside out. We power washed the engine bay, we scrubbed the outside, we pulled out the whole interior, scrubbed it all one by one, and spent hours washing the floors. And now going through it, I've really seen how beautiful this car actually is. And I've kind of had a change of heart, and I think I want to keep it long term. That being said, my plan with this car was to take it slow, go step by step, and just kind of like see where we get with it, because I didn't really have a plan. I decided that's boring and I want a sick car, so I decided we're gonna haul ass, strip this whole thing apart, and give myself a challenge and try and make this a whole new car by Monday, while going with the idea that you guys had and keeping it OEM plus. So we got a lot of work ahead of us, and we're gonna just jump right into it. And today we're gonna tackle the big part, and that is taking out this stanky old single cam. It no longer looks like a Ford Probe. This is great. All right, so the front end's off. It is ready to get actually torn apart now. And I can't emphasize enough, I still want to continue with like the OEM plus look, because I mean, right now the engine bay looks so good. I do feel guilty ripping it out, but single cam life just isn't for me. She's getting there. There's quite a few things on this because it's never been taken apart before. But what's up, Jip? How you doing, man?
I'm good. How are you? You're not looking that great because your hands are dirty and your forehead's sweaty.
So the engine's almost out. Basically, everything in the engine bay that needs to be disconnected besides like the heater hose lines and some random small stuff. And then we have to get underneath and do the dirty work.
Great.
Make a public announcement right now.
What?
It's Jip, not Jibba.
I've seen so many different variations. Chip, Jib, Gib, dude, like so many, yeah. I mean, so I don't like to self-proclaim it, but it's JIP.
JIP.
If you're gonna say it, you may as well say it right, so.
This car somehow survived all the people that have survived without getting pinch welds crushed.
Ooh.
Yeah, look at that. That makes me so happy, uncrunched pinch welds. And it's completely rust around here, other than the fact that it's a spider sanctuary. There's so many spider webs, dude, it's so gross.
Watch out for black widows, bro.
Yeah. Nice. Ah! Bingo.
Yay!
Let me throw it!
Yeet!
I was really thinking I was gonna hit myself in the back of the head with the cat, knock out and fall.
All right, almost done.
Wait, does that have to come back in? Ow!
Watch your fingers. Nice. All right, let's hook this thing up. Oh, Randy, what's good? I feel like you sense this in your bones every time my engine's about to come out.
I can feel the tingle in my skin. I swear to God.
That's just the drugs, actually.
Might be a little both.
So, we actually got sent quite a few engine levels from you guys. I think we got 3 of them since we dropped the SR in the other car. But,
And we're gonna disregard them all.
it's a single cam. It doesn't deserve that type of treatment.
I was trying to go from the serpentine.
All right, let go.
Look, can we look at his Jimmy's jack of choice? I don't know what's happening. Look at that fucking thing, dude. Gonna break it off in there.
We're good. All right, so I actually like this car. So the goal is to not rip anything off the chassis and not scratch anything.
I.e. brake lines.
Safety first.
I sure hope I don't get hit in the eye. Well, let's get shit that's gonna fall out of the way, like a half-inch impact.
Safety instructor.
What you're going to do is make sure no shit's gonna fall.
Car needs a new steering shaft because the previous owner completely stripped it and ruined it. So we gotta replace it. So if we pull it now, it'll make pulling the engine a lot easier. So I'm just gonna back it out.
Off limiter.
There we go. All of this because someone put an eBay steering wheel hub on it and didn't tighten it.
Really? That's what happened?
This is why you don't buy eBay steering wheels. Now you're dead.
They folding like the ops on them. Feel us?
Drew, just keep your eyes peeled.
They are. Currently peeling his eyes like an orange. Wait, so much training food's coming out.
No!
Like a lot.
Oh, I didn't. What a shit show. Oh, I didn't think it would come out on the automatic trans, but I guess.
Oh no.
Oh, that's a lot of training.
Got him.
Oh, yes.
There's so much coolant coming out. Stop. Help! I have a cap.
It's already on.
I have a cap. We're good.
Oh, it's capped.
It's cap.
It's already on the
Let's
ground.
go, Jip. Nice. So, in this episode, we learned drain your goddamn tranny before you pull it. I always forget.
I'm hyped about the clothes not getting dirty.
Looks nice though. We just upgraded this car. Now, like this car is nicer as a shell than with this in it. No, I don't want to disrespect the single cam community. They could be great engines, but not for me.
They could be great.
Potential. I'm pretty sure like they can hold. They could make decent power boosted. Like they
300. About. Right?
So.
I could be wrong.
Oh my god, dude, I got a lot to clean up. We'll see you guys in like an hour. So about an hour later, most of it's cleaned up. It was really bad, but engine's fully out. Kind of sitting right here. Here we go. Everything still looks great. I'm really happy. I was nervous I was gonna have some surprises would pop up, but everything looks just as clean as I thought. Since I'm trying to get the new engine in here like tomorrow, even though it's late, I figured it'd be a good time to power wash all the gunk and grime out of the engine bay. Because I mean, realistically, it's still pretty filthy, even from our previous power wash. So, just managed to get this thing outside and clean her up. Sound good?
Jimmy Oak special.
Yeah, I gotta call Drew for this one. Garrett with the assist. Oh, now I can kind of see. Now I can kind of. It's still dark. It's great. And like an hour and a half later, it's all ready to go. So, bay cleaned up really nice. Subframe's looking really clean. Only issue is the frame rail does have a little bit of rust on it. This always happens with these cars just because the brake fluid always drips from the masters and lands on the frame rail. And of course that ruins the paint, and then this happens. So I'll hit that with some primer and some duply matched paint and I'll be fine. Paint in this bay isn't perfect. Like, it definitely isn't the prettiest in the world, but I don't think it's worth respraying this bay. I'm not trying to go ridiculous on this car just yet. If you want to respray the bay down the road, you guys know we're able to pull the engine and respray it pretty quick, so I'm not too worried about it. I think it's in perfect condition for what I want the car to be. So I don't want to set the bar too high for myself, but tomorrow I really want to see the new drivetrain dropped in. Not installed it, not like hooked up, running or anything, just kind of motor mounts and trans mounts in. That's easy. It's doable. There's still a lot of stuff we have to do to prep the whole car to get the new engine in it, but it's not too bad. I'll get it done in the morning, and then hopefully by the end of the night, new one will be in there. And at this point, you guys are probably wondering what the new drivetrain is. I don't want to give away just yet, but it's nothing too crazy. Things just worked out very perfectly for me, and that's why we're going ahead and going so quickly, and I cannot wait to tell you guys about the deal I got tomorrow that's allowing us to put a pretty cool drivetrain in our untouched Stank S13. So I'm gonna end it right here. Today was great, really happy with the progress, and tomorrow we'll have even more, and I think you guys are gonna really like it. So you know the deal, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.